Hello everyone, knitting a beautiful granny square. Yeah, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip knot in the first chain. So this ring is made 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet, so 3 double crochet is done. 1, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, 2, look here, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, this one look like that. 1, 2, 3 double crochet, now look here in this chain, and this one look like that. Then 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, as this one. Next line, turn the work, here 3 double crochet, and now 2 chain, 3 double crochet in the same hole. Two chain, no, 2 chain here, 3 double crochet, so we will finish like that. 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the next hole. Two chain, 2 chain, next in the next hole 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and in the same hole 3 more double crochet. So this is the corner here, we are here now, and then we keep going on this 2 chain and 3 double crochet on this row, and I will finish the whole row. 2 row complete, and I turn the work like that, and 3 chain in place of double crochet in the beginning, 3 chain and 2 double crochet here. And then in the next, now we will put 3 crochet here, and on the corners 3 here, 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here in the corners, and 1 in the middle in the next row. So I will finish the whole row like that. 2 double crochet, and in this hole we will put 3 and 3 double crochet. And I will finish the whole row like that, 2 here and 1 in the middle. You can see here I'm in the third row, and this one in the corners double 3 crochet, and in the middle 3 crochet. I'm going to do in this corner, and I will finish the whole up here. In this corner I'm going to put 3 double crochet, 2 chain all the time like that in the corners, 2 chain, and in the middle here, in the middle this place we are going to put 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So this granny square is very beautiful. You can make a blanket or a throw baby blanket or blanket. It's very nice pattern. You can join these granny squares. Now 2 chain, and in the middle again 3 double crochet. Two chain and 3 more double crochet in this corner, and we will finish the row. One more. See here, this one we are at the end of the row, 2 chains, and we will go through here and this one is done.